Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today we're cooking quiche.
Wish.
Quiche. We will need whole wheat bread. Smell. It smells delicious.
It's good.
It's good. Nice.
I say spicy.
No, it's cheese. We'll need
No spicy.
What?
Spicy.
pasta. Okay. Then we need eggs. Eggs, bread, eggs, butter, cheese, and sour cream. Okay. Let's crack the eggs. Let's beat them. Come on. Okay, later. First, beat the eggs, please. Come on. Let's roll the sleeves. One. Sour cream. Come on. One. Good. And a little bit more. Good. Bravo. You want to give it a try? It's good?
Good.
It's good, okay. Okay. It's good. Now whisk. Come on, whisk. Little bit of cheese, okay? Little bit of cheese. Take the butter. Butter. Grease the shape with butter. Yeah, like this. Nice. Take bread. Like this. Yeah, the bread. Bread. We'll take bread and we'll make a cup. I'm going to push the bread to form a cup. Like daddy.
Ow. Wow.
Wait. 3. And now let's send this into the oven. Yes, yeah, good. Okay, let's put into the oven. Wait. And from these lefties, yeah, from left bread, we will make delicious treats. Okay? Pesmets. Let's pesmets. Add the olive oil. Come on, add the olive oil. Let's give it a good mix. Oh. Wait. Let's give it a good mix. One more. Don't worry. Now let's add salt. A little bit of salt. Yeah. Give a good mix. Hop. Okay. Okay. Robert, what happened with your hands? You are full of butter. You're full of butter. Now let's wash your hands. Come on. Robert. Oh, looks yummy. But no. Look what I have here. What? Come on. Yes, you can eat, definitely. Hi, try. But not caviar, Robert. Eat this. Come on.
Select, gustul selected.
Hi. Yes, hold like this and eat. It's good? Okay, pop. Hi, pop. No more.
You like orange.
Orange, da? Kobe, Kobe. Hi, Kobe.
Люби папу,
Slow down, slow, Robert, slow.
You want more?
More.
Are you kidding?
No more.
You want more?
So what is this time?
It's quiche.
Кушай.
Quiche.
Ну ты не кушай.
Quiche.
А там
Caviar? Do you want caviar?
Куки. Ты кушай. Кевер. Да. А ты кадари.
No, it's not a bucket. It's quiche.
Кушай.
Quiche.
Это я закушай.
No, it's a caviar with quiche.
Давай. А, после много я посидел.
Yeah.
Уродичек.
Да.
Кушай. Здорово.
No, asta mai bună. Ok. See you next time. If you like the recipe, please subscribe. If you like the recipe, comment below if you like our recipe. Write in the comments below what you'd like us to cook next. Bye bye. Spune bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.